Guys, if you've ever deleted something important from your phone, photos, messages, notes, documents, or app data, you know that horrible moment where you think, right, I've actually lost that, is going to be upon you. Well, today we're taking a look at Wondershare Dr.Fone and specifically its data recovery feature. This is designed so that you can scan your phone, show what may still be recoverable, and then let you choose what you actually want to recover. So if you've lost something important, you want to see what Dr.Fone can find, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we're looking at Wondershare's Dr.Fone. Now, Dr.Fone has quite a few phone tools built into it, but for this video, I'm focusing on the data recovery side. And this is one of those tools that you probably don't think about until something has already gone wrong. Maybe you've deleted photos, maybe you've lost a message thread, maybe you need a document, a note, a contact, or something from an app that you didn't realize you still needed. The useful thing with Dr.Fone is that it doesn't just throw you straight into a full restore and you lose all your data and all that kind of stuff. No, it lets you scan first, preview what it finds, and then choose what you want to recover. Now, before we get into it, Wondershare did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. And full transparency, as with any recovery software. Nothing is ever guaranteed, right? What can be recovered depends on what was deleted, how long it was deleted, like how long ago, your device, whether that data has already been overwritten and stuff like that. So with all of that said, let's get into it. Now guys, the first thing you'll need to do is download and install Wondershare's Dr.Fone on your computer. Now once it's installed, open the software and go into the data recovery section. Now the layout is pretty straightforward. You're not buried in loads of technical menus. It's more of a guided process, which is exactly what you want when you're panicking over trying to recover something. And from here, you just choose the type of recovery you want to run. Now you can also select categories that you want Dr.Fone to look for rather than scanning for absolutely everything if you don't need to. That could be photos, videos, messages, contacts, notes, documents, or supported app data depending on your device and what Dr.Fone can access. Next guys, connect your phone to the computer using a cable. Now, if your phone asks you to trust the computer, allow that because the software needs permission to communicate with the device properly. Now, once the phone is detected, Dr.Fone will prepare the scan. Now, like all recovery software, this part can take a bit of time, especially if there's a lot of data on the phone. But you know what? Like I said, that's pretty normal with all recovery software. It's checking what's still available, not just opening a normal file or folder. Now, one thing I would say here is don't keep using the phone heavily if you've just deleted something important. I mean, the longer you wait and the more new data gets written to the device, the greater the chance that the older deleted data gets overwritten. So if something matters, it's worth checking sooner rather than later. Now guys, once the scan has finished, Dr.Fone gives you a preview of what it's just found. And for me, that's the useful bit because you can look through the available files before deciding what to recover. I mean, you might actually find something else that you've deleted and thought, need to recover that. So that's a good thing. Now, if you need a specific photo, message, document or note, you can check for that and avoid pulling back loads of stuff you don't need. And that definitely makes the process feel more controlled. You're not just pressing one button and hoping to get the right thing back. You can actually see what has been found, select the items you want, and then choose the recovery option. Now, depending on the data and the recovery route, you may be able to recover to your actual computer or restore the selected items wherever they've been supported. Personally, I like the idea of saving a recovered bit of content to your computer first, because if it's something important, I'd rather have a safe copy before doing anything else. And Dr.Fone also supports recovery of different types of phone data, including media, messages, WhatsApp messages, contacts, documents, and some app-related data. I mean, it could be something personal like deleted photos or a message. It could be something practical like a missing contract or document, or it could be something work-related where you need to get back information that was sent to you and now is no longer easy to find. But again, I'd keep the expectations realistic, right? This isn't a magic undo button, and I wouldn't want anyone thinking that every single deleted file could always be brought back. But what it does give you is a proper way to scan, preview and check what still may be recoverable. So the basic process is install Dr.Fone, open your data recovery, connect your phone, choose the data types you want to scan, run the scan, preview the results, select what you need, then recover or save it. And that's the appeal of this tool. It gives you a more careful way to look for deleted or missing data without blindly restoring everything. So guys, there you have it. That's Wondershare Dr.Fone's data recovery feature. For me, the main benefit is the preview first approach. You can scan your phone, see what Dr.Fone may be able to recover, and then choose the specific files or data you actually need. Now, it's not something everyone will need every day, thank goodness, but if you've deleted something important or you're trying to recover data from your phone, it definitely gives you a practical way to still check what might still be available. And just remember guys, recovery is never guaranteed, and if you've lost something important, it's better to act sooner rather than later. Guys, at the time of this video going live, you can try Wondershare's Dr.Fone for free using the link in the description. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts to any of the packages. And guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Wondershare for sending me Dr.Fone to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.